Hi, it's Bruce again, and welcome to my Colorado Rocky Mountain Lab. We're looking at another analogic AN3100, and this one's also been modified for zero offset. It's the second of three that I've done this to, one of which I'm going to keep. So the first one was sold, so that means this will be the second and currently the last one for me to sell. Um, we're going to test this um, utilizing our Hewlett Packard HB34401A. Was calibrated last May, so it's been about 10 months, 9 or 10 months. And we're going to see how we perform. The offset adjustment allows us to take the microvolts that would otherwise be present and take them down to basically zero or something less than 5 microvolts, so that we wind up obtaining a zero in our fifth decimal place, and that gives us another decade of accuracy that we can count on. And we're going to see that in our test results as well. At least we hope to prove that. So bear with me. We're going to go ahead and give this thing a start. Right now we are dialed into 10.10101010, which with all of the carries and everything, we wind up with 11.111 volts DC. And we're going to go ahead and mark these down. We'll have a 10 in every column that I don't have on this worksheet, but we will add it. All right, 11.111. Let's go ahead and take us down to 99999. Okay, we got 9 and 4 nines after it. And we see a 9 with 4 nines after it blinking to a 10. Let's go to 8. 8 with 4 nines. We're getting a 9 with 4 zeros and a 2. 7, 4 nines. 7, 4 nines. And an 8. Okay, 6 and 4 nines. We've got 7, 4 zeros and a 3. 5 and 4 nines, excuse me. 5, 4 nines and a 7. 4 and 4 nines. We got 4, 4 nines and a 7. Okay. 3 and 4 nines. 3 and 5 nines. 2 and 4 nines. 2, 4 nines and a 3. 1 and 4 nines. 1 and 5 nines. And 0 with 4 nines. 4 nines and a 3. Okay. We're going to shift ourselves to 5 digits. All right, we've got 4 nines up here. We've got 4 nines and a 3 on the display. We go to an 8 with 3 nines. 8, 3 nines and a 3. 7 and 3 nines. 7, 3 nines and a 3. 6 and 3 nines. 6, 3 nines and a 3. 5 and 3 nines. 5, 3 nines and a 3. 4 and 3 nines. 4, 9, 0. Three nines and a 0. 4, 3 nines and a 0. Oops. 3 and 3 nines. 3, 3 nines and a 0. 2 and 3 nines. 2, 3 nines and a 0. 1 and 3 nines. 1, 3 nines and a 0. 0 and 3 nines. 0 and 3 nines. 0, 3 nines and a 0. Okay. 8 and 2 nines, 0.0899. 0.08990. 0.0799. 0.07990. 0.0699. 0.06989. 0.0599. 0.05989. 0.0499. 0.04990. 0.0399. 0.03989. 0.0299. 0.02990. 0.0199. 0.01989. And 0.0099. 00990. Okay. 0089. 00890. 0079. 00790. 0069. 00690. 0059. 00590. 0049. 00490. 0039. 00390. 0029. 00290, 0019, 00190, 0.00009, 0.00090, 0.0008, 00080. 0007, 00070, 0006, 00060, 0005, 00050, 0.00004, and I've got 0.00040, 0.00033, and I've got 0.00030, 0.0002, and I've got 0.00020, 0.00001 and 0.00010, and finally all zeros, all zeros. Beautiful. All right, let's tally that up and see what we come up with.